That was a good one. It's great. That's that new one.
It's so much better than Aliens Rolling Saucer.
That's my character, I'll tell you that much.
It does.
Yeah, I'll agree. I forgot how much I like this one's better. Woo! Oh. You get it? You get it?
I do. Plus the different songs make it better.
That is true. Yeah. And I like how it's all card themed.
Sorry, Nick. I'm not doing that on purpose.
Yeah, you are there.
I'm really not.
I know.
But I done lost a receipt. Now before you head out, grab all your stuff and remember, y'all be nice. Cause not being nice is, well, it's naughty. Happy holiday.